A family of 9 is now homeless after a fire gutted their home in Seaman's Valley, Portland on Saturday. Cody Barrett was on location and filed this report.
She run come down and tell me, say, Mummy, everything done with done for.
What started out as a regular day of chores ended in devastation for 6 adults and 3 children. Ashes and pieces of burnt clothing is all that's left of where their 4-bedroom board structure once stood. The owner of the house, Ada Scott, says she was at a nearby river with her grandchildren washing clothes when she got the news from her daughter.
4-bedroom, 1 veranda, 2 fridge, 2 dresser, and 3 TV. Jesus Christ. Stove, everything, nothing safe.
Her daughter, Marcia Lindo, was tending to their chicken farm on the property and was unaware that a fire was started in the house. By the time she realized what was happening, it was too late.
And I smell something burning. When I come out and go at the background, look, I saw the bed under fire. And by me for call my son around a film part of the room and say I could try to throw some water. Fire just blaze up.
It's understood that the fire started around 1 p.m. and neighbors had to alert the fire brigade, but by the time they arrived, the house was gone. Luckily, no one was injured. The cause of the fire has not yet been determined. The family is now pleading to the public for assistance.
Need help. And I have nothing safe, everything burn right out. Children to school, H paper, 3 going to school. Oh, God. Right now we need a heap of help because we burn out. We don't know if we sleep, nothing. School tablet, everything burn up on my phone and everything. Money, ID, my picnic them bank book, H paper, everything gone.
For anyone willing to assist this family, they may do so by contacting their pastor, Mary Douglas, at 876-427-7255 or their relative Malachi Fuller at 876-783-8379. Cody Barrett, TVJ News.